Alright, let's talk about 3 stocks you might want to consider buying today. Now, I'm not saying you should YOLO your life savings, but if you're watching this, you probably don't want to miss out on what could be the next big move. First up, IT. Information technology is the backbone of every new trend right now. Think AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity. Companies here are not just growing, they're absolutely essential. If you're not holding at least one solid IT stock, you're basically sitting out the future. Next, CNC, that's Centene Corporation. Healthcare is never out of style, but in 2025 it's only getting hotter. Centene specializes in managed care, steering through the complex waters of healthcare reform. With an aging population and more people needing coverage, this stock's not just relevant, it's positioned to thrive. And finally, FI, aka Fiserv. This is the name in financial tech right now. Think about how often you pay with your phone or shop online. Fiserv is powering a ton of that invisible infrastructure. With digital payments exploding, sitting on the sidelines could mean missing out on serious upside. Remember, I'm not your personal financial advisor, but I will say this: the market waits for no one. Every day you sit out, someone else is getting in. So do your research, but don't let FOMO keep you frozen. Which of these stocks are you watching? Hit me up in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stock insights. I'll see you in the next one. IT, CNC FI. Do your research. Act wisely. Don't forget to subscribe for more stock insights. This is not financial advice. See you next time.